Debbie with Kip's Corner. I am just popping on very quickly to do a redraw. I had 10 brushes, altered paint brushes, and 6 of those were giveaways. I popped on this past week, Tuesday evening, and drew the 6 names. They had until Friday to contact me, which was yesterday. Today is Saturday, and I have one that went unclaimed. The 4 brushes that were available for purchase were also all claimed, and everything is packaged up and actually sitting on my front porch just waiting for the post office to swing by and pick them up. So 9 packages are out there. So if you won one, it's on its way. And if you purchased one, it's on its way. And we've got one lone brush left. I'm going to draw this one time. If this one stays unclaimed, she'll just stay here. And she'll just be here. If you've already won, when I draw the name, if it's already pulled your name, then I'll go ahead and draw another one so that this can go to somebody who has not won yet. So I've got everything loaded up and ready to go. And let's see, make sure I'm in frame here. I'm just going to scroll down here to the confirm and start. And it's going to do a countdown. This is the brush that's left, by the way, is the Mature Lady in clay. All right, Erin Patterson, 9117. Erin has not won one before. And so, Erin, you are the next one in line. If you would like the Mature Lady altered paintbrush, please contact me. I'll keep this, give you a few days. It is a holiday weekend. And so please contact me by Tuesday, at which time the giveaway will be completely over with, done, and we're moving on. So, Erin Patterson, 9117, congratulations. And that's it. That's all I got. I'll be back. Bye-bye.